Step 3. Let's go into the detail of what a petty cash voucher is. A petty cash voucher is a useful accounting tool for recording small, routine expenses in a business. This book contains vouchers that should be sequentially numbered and should be in triplicate. To record a transaction in a voucher, you need to fill out the necessary details on the voucher form. This form should be in triplicate and have carbon copy. You should fill out the date, the payee or payer, description of the transaction, and the amount. Collect any relevant supporting documents, like invoices or receipts. Once you are done, tear out one of the 3 copies of the voucher and attach the supporting documents, and these should be filed in order of voucher number. The other 2 copies can remain in the voucher book. The goal of all this is to create a clear record of the transaction for accounting purposes. Essentially, you're documenting the inflows and outflows of funds related to the transaction on the voucher itself, which will later be posted to the Excel worksheet that I will explain later. Key steps to record a transaction on a voucher. Identify the transaction type. Determine whether the transaction is a payment or receipt. Gather supporting documents. You have to collect relevant documentation like invoices, receipts, or purchase orders to ensure accuracy. Next, we're going to fill out the voucher details. So we're going to fill out the voucher number. Assign a unique voucher number if the vouchers are not pre-numbered. We're going to fill out the date. Enter the date of the transaction. Next, we're going to fill out the name of payee or payer. If applicable, include the name of the vendor or customer involved. And then description. Provide a clear description of the transaction. And then we are going to fill in the amount. We are going to enter the total amount of the transaction. The next 3 procedures are for quality control. So we're going to double check for accuracy. We're going to verify that all information is correct, including the payments of receipts before submitting the voucher for approval. For approval processes, some businesses require approvals on vouchers before they are posted to the Excel sheet. If possible, you may need to have someone to check and sign off on the vouchers for quality control purposes. The accounting software. Most businesses use expensive accounting software to automate voucher creation and recording, which helps in simplifying the process. In this case, we are going to create our own simplified one using an Excel worksheet.